Hello, Mr. G here. I gotta show you this cucumber that we've been growing. We started growing this cucumber in December indoors, and I was trying to grow a cucumber for my daughter-in-law, and it actually worked. We did take it outside into one of our greenhouses for a little while, but the problem is it gets really cold at night, and cucumbers do not like to be cold. So it gets down close to freezing or below freezing, and that's why it just wouldn't work in there. So I brought it indoors and put it next to the window, south-facing side, where it would get some sun during the day. And it did really, really well. It's grown exceptionally vigorous. This particular variety is Corinto. It's a hybrid. And let me show you one of the fruits that actually started to develop on this. I'm going to turn it to the side here. I mean, kind of keeping it back a little bit, but look at that fruit. Isn't that beautiful? I did hand pollinate a little bit. I don't know if that helped at all, but you can see that there's another one here, and some of the other ones just aren't quite developing. I did put a couple of pieces of bamboo in there, and I used some grocery sacks and used that to tie to the bamboo. I find it's a good way to use the plastic is in the garden as ties. We also, on this pot, and I'll show you some videos later, but what we do is we take and cut the pot in half on each of the sides and then tape it with some duct tape. So that if I was to plant this into another pot, all I have to do is take that duct tape off and the pot comes directly off and the soil is sitting there. So I can put this into a larger pot or the ground without disturbing any soils. It's a very good way to do that. But yeah, this is our fruit. The nice thing about this fruit as well, Corinto, is that it's not bitter, which I do not like bitter cucumbers, so this is a really nice one to grow, and it's crisp. It just has a really nice cuke flavor, a really fresh aroma to it. It's a really good cucumber. So I invite you to try this. It's been a lot of fun to grow one right next to the window, and we're looking forward to having this fresh cucumber later tonight. Just kind of as a treat. Isn't that a beauty? So let's do this. Let's cut it right now. This has been such a wonderful experience growing this cucumber indoors, but it's time to cut it on 3, 2, 1. There it is. Wow. That's a beautiful cucumber. And now the energy will go back into some of these other cucumbers, and hopefully we can have 2 or 3 more on this beautiful plant. So thanks for joining me. Definitely try this plant's worked great outside. It's just a monster plant, produces a lot of fruit. All right, talk to you later. This is Mr. G.